The Vancouver Island Health Authority is opting out of its contract with the private company that provides housekeeping and food services to several South Island hospitals and long-term care facilities. For 6 years, Compass Group Canada has held the contract. It was renewed in 2009 for 5 years, but the Health Authority says it's time for a change. VIHA says the request for proposals is not a knee-jerk reaction to recent infection outbreaks, but critics point out Compass's record is far from clean. A News reporter Astrid Braunschmidt has more.
The private company, which cooks and cleans in South Vancouver Island hospitals and long-term care facilities, may be about to change. The Vancouver Island Health Authority is looking for alternatives to the Compass Group.
We always believe that there are opportunities for service improvements.
For critics, improvements can't come soon enough. VIHA says the request for proposals has been in the works for a year, but it is out at the same time Nanaimo Regional General Hospital battles a norovirus outbreak, which locked the facility down for the weekend. At the same time, Victoria's Glengarry Hospital recovers from a mystery respiratory illness. At the same time, the Archie Courtnall Centre at Royal Jubilee Hospital is fumigated to eradicate bed bugs.
Research has demonstrated a link between the contracting out of housekeeping services and the rise of hospital infection rates.
The member is just totally wrong. Totally wrong to make a false connection that the member ought to know is wrong.
But he is alone in this, Honourable Speaker. Will he take advantage of the opportunity today and bring that housekeeping back in-house?
It's a political hot potato, but VIHA says that's not an option.
In-house service provision is not something that we're looking at this point in time.
Proposals for housekeeping and food services will be accepted until next month, but the Vancouver Island Health Authority says it could be another year before any changes are implemented. We tried to reach Compass Group Canada today for a reaction, but our calls were not returned. In the meantime, it's business as usual throughout VIHA facilities. This afternoon, VIHA lifted visitor restrictions implemented last Friday at Nanaimo Regional due to norovirus. And by this Friday, patients moved out of Archie Courtnall Centre, while it's disinfected, should be able to return.
Astrid joins us live with more. Astrid, Compass Group has been dogged by complaints and criticisms for the past 6 years. What more do we know about the company's record?
Well, you know, Eric, VIHA says that Compass has failed some housekeeping audits. There have been regular outbreaks of infections, as well as reports of damaging Worksafe inspections. Now, last year, the Centre for Disease Control was tough on Compass for the way it handled a C. difficile outbreak, which killed 3 people at Nanaimo Regional General Hospital. Compass provides housekeeping for 13 facilities and food services for 9 on South Vancouver Island.
Astrid Braunschmidt reporting. Thank you, Astrid.
You're welcome.